What's the meaning of banality? Banality. Banality.
Banality. Banality. Banality is a term used to describe something that is unoriginal, mundane, or lacking in originality or creativity. It refers to things that are commonplace, boring, ordinary, and lacking in unique features or qualities. Banality can apply to anything from art, music, literature, and film to everyday conversations and actions. It can be used in a negative sense to criticize something that is too simplistic or trivial, or in a positive sense to appreciate something that is simple and uncomplicated. The term emphasizes the importance of creating or seeking out experiences that are novel, interesting, and thought-provoking.